Alphablocks are on a bus to Capital City.
Oh. S.
Bus. Everyone gets off. They have come to see a play at the theatre.
Oh.
Off. It's time to sit down. The show is about to start.
S.
Sit. High on a hill lived a happy prince named Prince X. Hill. The wet weather witch was jealous of Prince X because he was excellent at everything. Wet. Boo! Hiss! He's behind you! The audience calls, having lots of fun. Hiss. So the witch put a spell on the prince with a cloud of magic fog.
Oh. G.
Fog. That night, the prince got into his big bed. But no matter bed. How hard he tried, he could not fall asleep. His friends tried turning off all the lights.
Oh.
Off. They gave him his favourite furry fox toy to cuddle.
Oh. X.
Fox. They even got him to count pigs. 1 pig, 2 pigs, 3 pigs. Oh, but nothing worked.
G.
Pig. No matter how hard Prince X tried, he could not fall asleep. Prince X lay awake for what felt like 10 long years, until 10. One day, lovely Princess Elle came to look. A lot of prickly plants had grown up around the castle.
Oh.
Lot. Let me in, she called. Elle leaped up and over the plants, then climbed up the tall tower with a long ladder.
Oh.
Up. The princess jumped in through the window and found the prince awake in his bed. I will save you, cried Princess L. She gave Prince X her favourite doll to cuddle, but it didn't put him to sleep.
Oh!
Doll. Let me have a little think, said the princess. As she thought, she began to hum a lovely lullaby.
Oh!
Hum. The sweet song melted away the magic, and finally the prince did fall asleep. The prince's friends and the wet weather witch and the pigs also had a nap. Look, even the audience is sleeping. Oh, no, we're not, shouts N. I'm not napping.
Oh!
Not. It's the end of the play. What a fun show!
Oh!
Fun! Can you clap and cheer with the Alphablocks?